Not happy. Not fueled up. Let's go. Well, good morning guys, welcome back to the channel once again. Ooh, nice sunny day as you can see, but I've got the ND filter on. Today we are going to install what I believe is the easiest mod to install in any car, and in particular the M2, and that is to do with this carbon fin. So without further ado, shout out to AutoID for providing the goods. There you go. It's essentially this, which is just a carbon shark fin that will just slide over the existing one. So just like that, will be snug and fit. So what I'll do, sorry about the sunshine guys, so what I'll do is I'll just quickly put some more 3M tape on it, because they have provided tape but it's not fully surrounding it, so it's just on the sides, which I'm sure will be fine, but I just wanna, for peace of mind, just wanna cover all around it so that it doesn't fly off or shoots off if I ever get a jet wash or driving at speed. Okay, so let me just quickly put the GoPro on so I can go POV mode. Testing. Okay, so here we are guys. As I said, I'm gonna install this carbon fiber aerial shark fin, which I think is the easiest mod to do in any car, in particular this M2. So I've just literally stuck a few more 3M tape around it. I hope I did a good job. Just gonna quickly peel this off. Come on, I'm gonna go ahead and get sticking. Struggling. Dude, don't I have nails right now, dude? Jeez, come on, boy.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
Okay, this one's coming off.
Hour later.
I'm back. As you can see, all the tapes are off, and it's now just time to go ahead and install. But before that, it's actually a good idea just to give it a quick wipe. Excuse the sound, by the way, if you can hear anything, because look at this location, rail tracks. I'm just gonna let this train go first. Yeah, so give it a good wipe. I did that with Maguire's waterless, which is here. I quickly just sprayed it down and yeah, make sure that it's clean, the surface. But anyways, this should go on now. On this side, here goes nothing, ladies and gents. Give it a good press down. Ooh, I'm sensing a lot of resistance. Maybe I should have put tape at the front here. Yeah, just let it settle. And voila, there you go. Carboned out. Make sure this side is okay. Be good. Hi guys, as you can see, this is the finished product. I'm installed. I've left it for 5 minutes now. Seems to have settled. Looks pretty cool. Like I said, it just matches all the carbon that's already in the car, and yeah, it just finishes off nicely. It's quite light actually compared to the OEM carbon we have here. Yeah, if you did find this video useful guys, please like, share and subscribe. You guys thinking about getting your aerial switch into the carbon fiber trim, definitely do it, because it suits the car, especially with the black paint. Yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. I'm gonna enjoy seeing this, more of this later on. So you guys like, share and subscribe. If I can do it, you can do it too. That's the very quick and easy cheap mod for a BMW M2.